pay for the night.
Hi guys, it's Saturday, so I would have liked to know is where DJ from morning. I don't see DJ from morning, and I'm watching Ashley's video from Curly Versatility. Oh shit! There we go. Don't mind me messy background. I always messy. Me can't bother. So I'm there by myself. Follow me and Alec there. What is that chill? I had an awful day today, but
I'm repeating the same steps. I'm spraying my engine water and then I'm adding
I'm just one of them people who can't stay sad for long, so
and then I'm going to begin cutting.
me kinda alright now, but
so again, I section it in three.
You know?
Ensure that it's
just one of them day
when
day.
it's equal, it will get better.
So guys, it is Saturday night. Technically Sunday. Cause like what time now? 1. Yeah. We're not doing nothing. We're gonna try this mask that we got last night, day before yesterday at Monarch. It's some peel off mask. 30 seconds wash off peeling gel. Yeah. So I'm going to try that right now. We're not doing much. Probably go bed soon. So guys, tell me how the other day I decided to give me hair a light trim, right? And it wasn't light. And cut one side shorter than the other side. Like, look at this side. And look at this side. Only me would do something like that. So yeah, we're gonna try the mask. What were the first? Wet face.
The instruction. 60 seconds wash off peeling gel. So if you wash off for a while, remove dead skin cells and refine the skin. Okay, so apparently it's supposed to clear dead cells and exfoliate and clean pores. So let's see.
So I must wet my face. So guys, me really know I come on camera with me here like this, but Dija do it. Me look like me belong in oranges, you know, bro?
You do.
I mean, I orange in the new black type of girl, you know. Anyway, so we face wash and dried. So guys, me have one awful day. Me think me did express this to me. Oh, and by the way, like me did I cry today because me saw one lizard. Like me legit start crying, like me run and start crying. I like did a laugh after me. It smell good?
It smells like
Like me legit did a cry, like me did a ball. Nose not run out of me nose and them something, you know? Ball.
I pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane.
You know me eye. Leave it to the long nails, eh? Finger the out this and the nails out this. Your face feel different? Okay guys, so guess this was a fail. Cause I still feel all like we supposed to at least make my face feel smooth for even 5 seconds. Feel skin feel tight.
Yeah.
Are you mine?
No, it feel. I don't know what. Something.
You know, I don't feel no difference. When me wash my face, that's how I feel. Guys, me look horrible. Sorry. Yeah, so that was an absolute fail. So hey guys, we're at St. Mary. It's Sunday and we're filming a video right now. Due to I see beer lizard, I need to buy in a cash pot tomorrow. Due to I never buy cash pot yet. Anyways, so we're filming one video. My hand tired already. So you guys have to look out for that. Oh guys, my birthday come up. My birthday is on Monday. Yeah. The 27th. Yeah. That's my birthday. We just a chill DJ do fair piece. The DJ do fair piece. Me don't mind already. Well, we basically just start. Yeah. I like down there so. Watch him.
Beats, now my jokes all funny. Make my own lane and I keep on running. Me and Vicky Sticks and these Playboy bunnies. Ha. Playboy bunnies. Yeah. Playboy bunnies. Ha.
Hi guys. So it's Monday. About 12 o'clock, I think. Yeah, 12 o'clock. Waiting on a cab to come get me because I'm going to meet Alana and go get some stuff done on the road. They actually look somewhat decent today. You would have think, say, after years of doing my bun, I would have this bun shit locked. But every time I do it, I try to do my brows a little bit and lip gloss. So yeah, I just have on this Forever 21 top, this choker from them jeans from Cotton On, I think, yeah, and some budgets. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so that's my OOTD. So me follow Olana come get some sign, and this man faced with me, so I'm sitting outside and I wait for her. Them not have no manners. I mean, have no manners neither. So yes, guys, finally Olana. Turn on, let me see if you lean. You look lean. You lean? Yeah, so we're going to tax office. Then we are going to driving school.
How soon we can start?
We're going to find out today.
You told your eyebrow them on fleek.
Girl, they're not on fleek, you know?
No, they're on fleek.
I wish. Hey guys, back at it again with the Crouch Chronicles. DJ over there. I'm here. I watch Quantico. Guys, you need to watch Quantico. Need. So bomb. The fan probably strong in this though. Here we go. Water gone. Okay. How long do you think they're gonna hide it for though? Look who just walked through the door. What? Didn't I care? Thanks. So guys, I like to go to the carnival. Oh guys, we never get to go at the send-off party Sunday.
We're tired.
We did beat. So I go to Trinidad and he must get vaccination.
Yellow fever.
Vaccination. But this nigga allergic to eggs, so the vaccination what? Egg based, so
And it goes straight into your bloodstream, so even though my reaction might not be that bad to eggs, them can't give me because what they're going to inject in me is straight in my bloodstream, which means that it might be even worse than what my reaction normally is.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, so they expect me to go to carnival in long sleeve clothing.
Boy, wear something nude. So match your complexion. And then you wear a marina over it.
So, but I got an exemption letter, so at least I'll show that when I'm coming back into the country.
Me afraid.
Yeah.
Do massa no catch no yellow fever and care go and give me, you know. Oh. Hey guys. So it's Friday. Friday, right?
Yeah.
Because me I lose track I did him. So it's Friday, I'm by Olana. And where did this little get together thing for Nizam's birthday? Her birthday is when? Monday. And boy, Olana tell Nizam something. No, she not. Nizam, it's all lots of love. Right now, Olana, they are Portmore, and me supposed to be my mother.
Olana, they put more stress over.
Yes, so, yeah. So we're there to cook, and we have cupcakes and all of that good stuff. Okay, so we have cupcakes here. Nizam. Courtesy of Heaven Sent. And we have chicken. Olana baked chicken, because everybody know me can cook. What else I got, Olana? Apart from lights in Nizam.
Oh God, I love it. That feels so bad.
Nizam, we love you. Sorry, we had to lie to you. Like this. So yeah, and we have liquor and all that good stuff. Jutina's supposed to come by, but where's Jutina? Jutina not coming anywhere. Jutina, where are you? She's probably in class or something, but we're not sure she'll come in. So we'll see. So guys, Olana over here I'm mad because alright, let me tell you guys why we're doing this today. It's Friday and her birthday is Monday. But Jutina supposed to leave tomorrow. She's leaving tomorrow, so she wanted to do something before she leave. Right? Jutina is nowhere to be found. Jutina now replied to a message. And she make her go through this because Olana tell one lie, forget Nizam here. And Olana go crazy.
You see? You there, good. Man, just message Nizam come over for this. But no.
But no.
Candidate, have to tell me some lie. Me seriously I got mad right now. Deja, you know say me want to get to blame, right?
No.
But I'm here to tell a lie. Right now me I come from Hill Shop.
Mr. Toad.
Oh God. I'm gonna be so upset.
Me not think
And
so.
Deja just a good delay.
Me not make you want to take the blame, Olana. This was all of us, including Jutina. Wherever you are, Jutina. Jutina, me vex with you.
Oh my God.
So Nizam on her way. Well, she's supposed to leave out soon. Like me low-key panicking and not because me not sigh hard like you.
You low-key a panic?
Yes, me low-key
Me
panic.
high-key a panic.
Okay.
High-key! Hi, freaking key.
Calm
Maybe me
down.
feel, oh God. Maybe if you just, no.
Maybe just what?
You just go on with the lie.
What?
But then it's going to be an actual lie.
When exactly?
You don't want to lie.
Yeah, I want life to get her here because you know Nizam no want to leave the house. What you mean when she come here actually I go like say still continue the life? No girl, you just get to in a more problem.
You know, Nizam going to be so upset with me.
I don't think so.
Yes? And because of Jutina and Deja.
Chinatown.
This. He makes me now.
sit down make you explain.
Yes, take a seat. Take a seat.
Hold on. Me confused.
Am I confused?
What's happening? Like, this
Who wanna explain?
Hold on.
Where you go?
You make the food cold, you think forever. If you come here to stop suffering, you never expect you to stop suffering.
Okay. So this is when you did I say how I spent Friday with you? You forget to say that?
Yeah, we kind of. So why you look so? You look
Liz and face
upset.
when she busts on the corner door like, what the fuck are you doing here?
I'm confused. I'm kind of confused.
Why are you confused?
So what's happening? What is?
Look in your box.
Jesus Christ.
You like it?
Me think you no fucking. Me not trust him.
Hold on, I did say that.
Adija fault.
Who am I fault?
You blame everything for you. Adija fault.
I know my fault.
Adija fault.
Olana said that now. Olana said this. I'm not going to trust you after this again.
Me not trust him.
Alright, let me explain. Me did supposed to go print more for real. But then me fi drop off this. Me never did supposed to drop off this. Alex did I go drop it off. And because you had to say to Alex say Olana there put more.
But you say you never there put more?
Who?
You never there put more? Me feel like me feel you. Me feel played. Me not trust him, that no.
Why you not trust me?
Me not trust him.
Say vex with me.
Feel like she will.
I feel like she vex with me.
Me not vex.
Of course, I vex.
No, me not vex.
Yeah,
Sure.
I'm excited.
Because
Cause
me in a shock.
okay.
Me just never expect this. Okay, guys, I appreciate it though.
You make me laugh.
Me feel you know. So now living room this?
No. Oh.
So guys,
Beside that, you know.
they fucked me up. This one over here, culprit number 1, culprit number 2, culprit number 3, you bitch, you gonna Trinidad, you, and 4 is nowhere to be found.
No. You said that already.
They have me over here drink. I didn't couldn't understand. We couldn't even sleep last night.
Me not think I understand how Olana there a pace back and forth till me feel like one shit because Olana said on a scale of 1 to 10, how pissed you think this about?
You did a vlog?
Yes.
Oh my god. But me get cupcakes. I me really appreciate it. Guys.
You know, eat the food though.
Me did vex though, me not lie. Me did kind of vex. But
You
not
never
really.
kind of vex, you did vex.
Okay, me did vex cause me feel like they did lie to me. Well, which they did, but me surprised the company vlog like this. Say hi.
Oh god! No, this stop scare me. Jesus Christ, no.
You wanna know what fucked me up? If I say me not have me health shop fish eat right now. I wanna know, yeah, I'm betting if I can come over. I wanna know, guys, me tipsy me tipsy. But me don't want cause nobody right by here. Me I be decent.
But I play with you because every time I watch you vlog them, me look worse and worse and me don't appreciate it. Me say last
Anyways, guys,
Come here, what am I saying?
0 penny operator,
everybody just miserable.
me don't miserable.
Not true.
Video Alana, me never see Alana panic.
Trust me, she get panda one day. So guys,
Alana, no, zoom in for Alana big toe.
so culprit number 4 there. Remember what they look for? She just come 8 o'clock. Explain yourself.
You know, we take directions from Jamaican people. When they tell me say down the road and I expect down the road. Me expect down the road.
down the road.
Yeah, but you want to see it in my vision like me.
Well, if you never see it in your vision, you should take one taxi. You should walk.
Yeah, but you boost me. That
Nobody
is what
never
happened.
boost you.
Whitney, aka Whitney. Me couldn't even
Guys,
tell the difference
all I
between
wanna
you
cook, you
and
know? All I wanna cook. For once in my life, I know me cook. For once. Not for me. Oh God, me not even need to say there's something going on here. Hold on. Explain this thing.
Alright, so all I know
Hey!
a puppy.
Wait.
She has stressed me. So, in the past week, so.
And I set fire to
Oh God, man, I didn't notice tomorrow.
when I cry 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Do you see that? We now go to Florida tomorrow. She's a hoe. You already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Road boy, it is a pity. It's not the way you walk, and it's not the way you talk, and it's not the way you talk. It's not the way you talk. Alright. Ain't no movie star. Hey. And it's not your lovely hair.
I think she said baby here.
Love the long ding dong boom walk. Can't stay for me like the corner, and keep your lips for me like your marijuana.
I would love it if you treat me like a
Stay up in me whole night, just a bump and grind and round. You don't understand what a woman needs from her man. While they dip on the streets all the time, just spirits in my heart. These streets don't love you like I do. Coming as him like chat on phone with girl all night. In on my side, you know that no right. And when me a talk, and me want fight. Chew me now, no girl I get walk past me. Chew what I get hype. She said me man want a coffee or sometimes. So when him come on and say I'm me and Mrs. Right Macaroni. Boy, take my bunny, take the house all on already. Boy, wanna say we look right now? We're good. We got MVP.
But think all I know, Tyler, come down in a good blouse.
So for your blouse now good?
Me I wonder.
No, miss.
Me feel like Olana look too nice for you.
Yeah, me feel like she out Tyler bad.
No makeup.
Me in my yard shirt.
So when you want me put on?
No makeup. No, no.
Me not have on no makeup either. You know, see me nose
So why you
brother.
talk so loud? Why? You do?
Call the taxi.
Jut's over here.
Hey.
With me. Me feel like we have on makeup.
I'm gonna get you from. No makeup.
Me not trust you.
Olana,
Yeah, Olana just.
Fall upon Whitney face.
me have on makeup.
Whitney.
She not have on no makeup. The only thing she have on a lip gloss.
Right, if you have on them for sure.
Me feel offended.
No, I want another. Come.
So just you know go like man.
Dija, if you get the biscuit tonight, I swear, I pop out every year time a week. So you sit on your side, eat the Pringles
Let
already,
me get
you
to
know?
the front again.
Roll call. Dija. Olana.
I'm here. Ready to
Juts.
party.
Juts.
Madaya.
Whitney.
This
Driver.
Give again, Nita.
Driver, you're not answering me.
Me and Sabu do the laugh.
Oh God. So guys, me know the nursery. But you know we're there.
Very, when
they call it
Impromptu?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to do a speech like that. Really, Nate? We cannot talk about schoolwork? Please.
Your friend. Exactly.
Please. I mean, it just flashback. Okay.
Flash it
Exactly. Me can't believe we are great people them place looking like bomb bitches.
Sure.
Yes, guys. So we're in Kingston, as usual.
Oh God, look at something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, me can't see me. I saw me black. Me want to see me.
You think that?
What man, we can't catch them.
Mr. Suit. MVP.
Bay for the night.